clay, charcoal, and water to remove those products build up. What shows that you have product build up? You have itchy scalp, flakes, and greasy hair, and oil all over your hair. First of all, I'm going in with my kaolin clay. I decide to use the mortar and pestle. You can crush it and put it in your grinder to have a fine and a smooth paste, a smooth powder, sorry. Kaolin clay is a gentle cleanser that helps to remove buildups from the scalp. It also helps to absorb oils that has been used over the years on the hair. It also provides a gentle exfoliation to the scalp, helping to remove dead skin, which end up becoming dandruff. So you can see that I'm sieving my kaolin clay. It is a fine one, of course. It contains a lot of stones, so you have to sieve it so that you have a smooth paste. I'm cleaning my work area because of the mess I'm creating, to create a whole lot of mess, but do not worry. It also helps, it contains minerals such as silica, which strengthens the hair and improves overall health of the hair. It also provides gentle exfoliation to the scalp. Just as we exfoliate the scalp too is a skin and need to be exfoliated. I'm now going in with my charcoal. I've already crushed it, same method as I've done for the kaolin clay. Now I'm sieving my charcoal. Make sure you sieve it nicely just as you did for the kaolin clay. Kaolin clay also contains properties that has the ability to remove impurities, dirt, and excess oil from the scalp, which end up causing flakes. Now I'm starting my production. I've taken my kaolin clay. I'm adding the charcoal to it. You are free to use the quantity you feel. I've added my water based on the length of your hair. You add more or you reduce it. But if you have excess, you can still store it somewhere and use it for future. You see that I have added enough water. Yes, I decided to have this consistency. In some videos, you see that others prefer to have it very thick. And in fact, removing it from your scalp or your hair is a whole lot of work for me. So I decided to have this consistency. We are using it as a shampoo. You can see that I'm pouring it into the shampoo bottles. So in this case, it means I will not shampoo again. We are not going to shampoo. This is our shampoo that we are using. So I'm making it a bit lighter, but you may have seen or come across other videos that it is very thick. Feel free to do what works for you, but I think this one works better since I will not struggle removing it from my hair. Okay, so first of all, I'm removing my hair. I've already detangled this hair about 4 days ago and it's still detangled, no much issue. So I'll be going in with my mixture of the charcoal and then the kaolin clay that I've formed this gel. You can see it is a bit like cocoa texture, not too thick and not too light. It is not a paste, but it's something that can flow. I'm putting it on my scalp. This is the bottle I'm using because I said it's my shampoo. You can get any bottle of this nature, then you also put yours inside and keep doing it. In the process of applying it, you see that I am massaging my scalp as well. A lot of buildup has been on my hair. In fact, it got to a time I realized my scalp was itching. It was red. Sometimes I can scratch, though I said we shouldn't scratch, but that's reality. I realized it have a lot of product buildup. It's been 2 years, guys. It's been 2 years. I've been lazy. It's been 2 years that I have been using products without cleaning it. How can I be exfoliating the skin without exfoliating the scalp? The scalp too is another skin, and we need to exfoliate. So I keep on applying it. You see how I keep on massaging the whole thing into my hair. In fact, my hair was thanking me the whole of yesterday. My hair is thanking me. Say, thank you, thank you, thank you for using this thing for me. My hair has really struggled. The hair has really, really struggled. This is the before picture of my hair. And then you see how my hair is doing well now. So you have to exfoliate the scalp. It got to a time I was seeing flakes on my scalp. Product buildup. 2 good years without exfoliating. It's a crime. It's a serious crime against my baby, against my queen, man. Guys, let's do this. Please, if you have never done it before, it's a game changer. You see the hair that you saw at the beginning, see how it has shrunk. Look at how the clay mixture is doing my hair now. Very, very nice. The charcoal too is doing its own thing by removing the product buildups, the pollutants that leads to healthy hair. It is removing all those things. This will lead to a healthy hair. Guys, see how the hair is becoming beautiful. What is preventing you from doing this kaolin clay mixture? This is the best you can have. This is the best. I will prefer and I am suggesting that you do it exactly as you are seeing the video. But if you like to have yours in a thick paste, fine. Even this one, you need enough water, like 2 buckets of water. If you have shower, then you're also good to go. You need enough water to really, really, really clean. That's what I'm saying. You should do per the quantity you want. Now, when you look at my hair, you realize that the product, the clay is not enough for my hair. What I did was small. I have forgotten that my hair is so long. I have forgotten, guys. I have forgotten that my hair is so long. And now I did something small. I need more. Anyway, but what I have is still enough. So I continue the tangle. But you could have seen that I braided the hair into twists, but I decided, it's been a long time I use this clay. So I want the whole hair to be saturated and remove everything. But if you have been doing it and you feel like leaving it in the twist before washing, it's fine. But I have decided I want to see my new length. I want to feel my hair, I want to feel my baby. I want to feel my baby. That's why I decided to release the twist. But you can decide to either keep the twist before you wash, which is the best thing to do. But for the sake of for my preference, I want to see my hair. I miss my baby so much. So we are doing the kaolin clay. This is the video 2. If you have watched up to this time, I want to say thank you very much. Thank you very much, and God bless you. God bless you. Please take the challenge serious. We are doing it. The next video that I'll be posting is on the African threading. You might probably have not seen that type before. Something that will not rip our hair or remove and break our hair. So watch out for that video at the end of this video. That will be the next video I will upload. Okay, so I've finished doing it, and you can all see my edges. Yes, I lost my edges due to postpartum shedding. Don't worry, now I've covered my hair with the rubber. If you have any ponytail, cover it and leave it for some few minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. I am in the washroom washing my sand, my clay off. It's a bit messy, I must confess. It can make you dirty, very, very, very dirty. So you have to have enough water. Or probably if you are not using shower, someone should be closer to you and provide you enough water. But at least 2 buckets of water should help you do this cleaning. So I keep on cleaning. You can all see I decided to release it. You can still keep your twist. I am removing everything. Please subscribe and share the video to save lives. People need to grow their natural hair. Kindly share the video to go as much as to reach everyone. Those in the village, everyone must see this video. Thank you for watching once again. So we are washing the hair, guys. The feeling, what I'm feeling is so good. My scalp feel like, my scalp has breathed. Like, oh, mommy, you have left me. You have neglected me. In fact, I was always using products and neglected in my hair. Now I am done with the washing. Guys, see how the hair is looking. Imagine me stretching this hair. Now let me go in with my deep conditioner. Our favorite deep conditioner. You are surprised what is that. I will share the link to this deep conditioner in the description box. So after this video, kindly watch. I have removed all the builders from my scalp. There is a need for you to deep condition. Deep condition is very good and important for the hair. It nourishes the scalp. As I said at the end of this video, the next video that will pop up is the deep conditioning. So kindly watch and then you do. And keep on applying my deep conditioner which feels so good. My guys, sisters, the thing is so lovely. You see, so there's no need. Though I removed the hair at the first time, removing the clay, you see that I'm rebraiding it into twist again, whilst applying the deep conditioner, and I continue to detangle as well. I can see that. I hope you have not seen me using comb at any stage. You know, when the hair is wet, it can break easily, same as when it is dried. That's why you will never see me using comb at these stages. I'm only using my finger to detangle. When I'm done, I'll twist my thing back. I'm twisting my thing back to it. So the video to the deep conditioner I'm using is in the description box. Kindly watch it and do as well. You know, after you have removed everything, the hair is hungry, so you must feed the hair again. Hey, this hair is trying to be stubborn. Let me rebraid it again. This one has removed, so I am doing it again. Then from here, I will also wash it out. Sisters, see how the hair is looking fluffy. The thing you saw, the hair you saw, that you don't know what to use it for. Look at how nice it has become. It is so nice. Keep on detangling. You detangle nicely. I want to work in section for everything to enter every corner. I keep on doing this. Guys, thank you. Thank you, sisters. I love you so much for watching, for joining this amazing family. Let's make it bigger. Black hair